How to factory reset Windows 10. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to factory reset your Windows 10 system or boot menu troubleshoot, you need to simply follow the steps. First of all, right click on the start menu, sign out of your account. Next, press and hold the shift key and then click on the power button and select restart. Release the shift key after the system shuts down, and when the system restarts, choose troubleshoot. Then select reset this PC and you'll be prompted to choose whether to keep your files or erase everything. After the reset process begins, you can select whether to only remove your files or to clean the drive completely, which erases all of the data. After the reset, your system will start with the Get Started menu and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and factory reset your Windows 10. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.